I trusted that they were going to do what they said. Hi, my name is Valerie and I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I just finished a major remodel of a 1928 bungalow with Troy Design Build. I actually went online and Troy Design Build was the first company that called me back. I met with Ben and Yoel. They got to know me and they got to figure out what I wanted and immediately knew they were the ones I wanted to go with. They were very personable, they were very attentive, they were very responsive. They gave me advice, but they didn't push. Yoel and Ben, they're very different. They complement each other very much. Ben, I've never seen anybody with a detailed mind like a steel trap like he has. He doesn't forget anything. Yoel brings some of the comic relief, but also some of the creativity. They're a great team because I enjoyed working with them and talking with them. I knew that we were going to get through it, and I trusted that they were going to do what they said. They're authentic, not just trying to sell me something. Their staff are amazing. I love the guys that work for them. Their staff are the same people. I didn't have subcontractors coming in and out. The project was always moving forward. I can't wait to start entertaining here and people to see what a great job these guys did in the house. I would recommend them, and I already have.